make the hobble to the motorhome to check. I totally forgot about it, to be honest. It's probably been another half an hour since I moved it to a different spot. Let's get it open. Let's see how we're doing. What was it, 27 degrees? Half an hour ago. It's pleasant in here, like, it's definitely pleasant. Dropped 2 degrees, that's good. So we're down 2 degrees at a totally, like, really nice temperature in here actually. You can imagine that'll be on a lot longer if you can keep it at 22. That's ideal. 22 degrees inside. It's probably what we try and do when we're in the house as well. So it's worked. It's come out cold. So the result. For €60 second hand, but it's less than a year old, portable aircon unit, and €5 worth foam panel or whatever it is that I bought. Bit of glue, done. Because the alternative was like, well, as you can see here, I've got a really big skylight, so it wouldn't have gone in there anyway. I would need to drill a new hole, which would also lose headroom. Yeah, having said that, this is the highest part of the, but it's $2,000 for it all, and then it need to be homologated because Spain can't just put anything on without telling ITV, and which means you might actually have to get it fitted by somebody. So you get like a form, and then you register it with the ITV when you get it tested. So this is the it's ice cold, like. It's lovely. The next thing, this motorhome doesn't have aircon when you're driving either. Oh, it's nice and cold at the back. Ah, yes. It's all getting like stuck in here, that's good. Yeah, we don't have cab aircon. So we're gonna have to look into a few fans because retrofitting the aircon is going to be difficult. I'd have to find a donor vehicle and steal all the stuff off that, and it'll get expensive. Anyway, result for the interior aircon, ready for 32 degrees and Mazron.